Okay, we're here at Subway. He's gonna eat food. I'm surprised he didn't want chicken. What do you do? That's what he wanna eat. So he's here eating his, munching his. What did you get?
Here,
Bacon.
green pepper,
There is his food
bacon,
right there.
and pickle and onion.
That's his food right there.
And,
Subway is healthy, right?
yeah.
Yep. And he got some water over there. And he's eating and watching YouTube
Chad is the
right there.
tallest spy ninja, so let's see what you can do.
We're in Roseville. It's September the 25th, 2019. The time now is 7:29. It's a nice, cool Thursday evening, and DQ is out there. I don't know if you can see it, but nobody is over there because the temperature right now is 66. So nobody is in the mood to go and eat some ice cream. What is this called? But there's Subway right there. That guy is nice. Alright. Peace, people. Subscribe and be good. He's busy eating. He's not paying attention to me, which is good. He got some stuff there. Alright. Tell them peace out.
You already know what it is. I stay with the Jacob fam. Read Jacob TV out.